broken. Every single one is broken.
Hey May, check out this candle. Check it out. It's supposed to smell like candy corn.
Oh, pasta?
Yeah. Does it smell like it?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
Look, the fortune ball. Tell me what you like. Beyond into your night. It's gonna be creepy today. Ha, ha. Look at these. These are so fun. Look, Mom, I love these.
What is it?
It lights up. These light up. And they're so cool. And you can shake them. And they're filled with water to float them around. Oh, look at these. Potion. A frog. That's so cool. A candle. How cute this is. Smell it.
What does it smell like?
It's good.
It does smell good. It's supposed to be white snake root.
Nope.
But it smells good. What is that?
Yeah, it's Monster Mash. It's like a mix of all the Count Chocula cereals.
Oh, no!
That looks amazing. It's got Frankenberry, Count
I told you
Chocula,
it's a new girl.
all of them. Yeah, there's a new girl. I've never seen this one. Felix.
Oh, hello guys. Today I don't have any legs. So I'm walking like this. Okay, I was joking. You got me. Mom, I always wanted to tell you about this show.
Is that an Ursula dress? Too bad it's not in my size.
Yeah, I really wanted you to have it. Oh, Jack Skeleton! Sorry, I've been watching this movie. Look at these cute pants and a shirt. I thought this was a shirt, but it's a dress.
So let's go look one section over, I think is where the like athletic clothes are.
Yes. You're right. This is like Salish Matter clothing.
Yeah. Are you excited about trying cheerleading?
A, B, C, E, F. This is how you spell my name. A, B, C, A, M, A, Y, M, A, Y.
You want to talk about what you're going to do in that outfit?
Okay, so I'm gonna cheerlead in it. A, B, C, D. Yes, this is how you spell your name. This is the tangler. I actually need it for cheer because my hair gets tangly sometimes.
Who's on the detangler?
Oh, it's Lele. A ghost.
Is it Ghost? Ah! Ursula costume and
Oh, look, little
That-
Bastions. There's a little.
ooh, there's a Cruella de Vil costume.
I know.
Oh, look, the baby Sebastians. Those are really cute.
Wait, Mom. I have an idea. So maybe we can get face.
Oh, like face paint stuff.
Okay.
That's really fun. And wigs.
Skirts. I have a cape like
You
this
already have a red cape.
from the. I don't know what it's called. Oh, look! You color the helmet and then
It's like a decoration. You can stick that in your lawn so it looks creepy.
Yeah, it looks like someone was like falling in there. It looks like a Funko Pop.
It does look like a Funko Pop.
It is supposed to be a Funko Pop. Look.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wait. Did you see any Sallys over
I
there?
saw a whole Sally outfit. It was for grown up.
Bluey! Mom, Bluey!
There's a Bluey costume. got all the Descendants characters.
Evie. Ooh, all the wigs.
Ooh, it's like a mermaid tail. It's a Lele costume. Oh wow, it's a Dorothy costume. You were thinking about being Dorothy, weren't you?
Yeah, but I was also thinking about being Sally or Odyssey.
Those are a lot of choices.
Jack and Sally costume.
We could be
What are those?
Halloween squishmallows! Huh? What? They're trick-or-treat bags.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, I want it.
A Halloween
trick-or-treat
squishmallow
bag.
trick or treat bag. You know what the problem with that is, May? There's not that much room for candy in it.
Zoobadoo, zoobadoo, zoobadoo. Zoobadoo, zoobadoo, zoobadoo. Zoobadoo, zoobadoo, zoobadoo. Zoobadoo, zoobadoo, zoobadoo. You're gonna see a real taco. You're gonna see
This is
the
a real taco.
This is the real taco. I am the real taco. Okay. I'm a taco. I'm a taco. I'm a taco. I'm a taco. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me.
You look like a delicious taco.
Turn into a gorilla.
A gorilla? That's a good costume.
Ice cream! I'm gonna be ice cream for Halloween. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
Okay.
Don't eat yourself. It's even a bedazzled cone, like a witch flavor.
Best thing in the world. You just get salsa and you actually need a chip to dip it in, and then you get cheese, and then it tastes so good. Is that real fire? I never saw this.
You aren't afraid of little me, are you? Why, I love this time of year, with the dead leaves all around us, and the darkness wraps around us like a...
Dad, a Huggy Wuggy costume.
Oh my god. That's too scary for me.
Does that get cool?
Pink Huggy Wuggy hat.
Oh, May.
What?
There's Monster High costumes.
I know, I saw those on like that post.
Who's your favorite Monster High character?
Oh, I have 3. So I actually have all of them on mine. Mom, look next to you.
Harry Potter stuff.
The evil zombie cheerleaders.
Oh, you could be a zombie cheerleader for Halloween.
Doesn't fit.
You're Sonic?
Yeah, I'm a real Sonic. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's like time. Anyway.
Is it too big for your head?
Cowabunga, dude.
I think it's too small for your head.
I'm too big for this one.
That.
My favorite movie with a wig.
You know, I will say.
Do you want a Coraline costume?
I watched it.
Did you watch that movie?
Yeah. There might be a zombie baby here. No,
You like the scary stuff, man, huh?
Chucky.
Does that look like a real one? Can I see it? Self-inserted? Oh my gosh. That's so legit. Oh man, it's the skeleton.
The baby!
Are these zombie babies?
The zombie
Oh, these are really creepy.
Yeah. What's your favorite zombie baby? You want to hold one? You don't have to.
I will hold one. Oh, it's very nice. It's very nice. Don't eat me. You are a joker. you said it would eat me.
What happened?
There's a tarantula. A witch for Halloween?
Sure.
Look at these Barbie costumes.
I know they're cute.
Those are really cute.
Miraculous, simply the best, after the best one they've done.
Oh, a Miraculous costume?
And look, this is what she has for her bag.
Oh, that's cool. So you can get all the candy.
Like and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. I'm a witch. And I'm flying in the sky.